popping sound within the joint is actually just gases being released from the joint capsule itself. So like when you crack your knuckles, all you're doing is you're just separating that joint just enough to allow gas to release from that joint. When that gas releases, it makes that popping sound. So as we push on the back, all we're doing is separating these joints just a little bit to allow the gases to escape. So if you are looking to improve your health and well-being, give us a call at 801-546-0114 or look us up online at www.fordfamchiro.com.